Brian back with a bone update. You can see this massive pump we're having here. Okay, right now, well, we're up 5.73%, but at one point here, just today, this thing was up 8.8%. All right, if you go out in the 4 hour, you can see this breakout. I mean, this thing has absolutely bottomed out. It broke up to 86 cents here. I see this thing continuing upward right here. Shiba Inu bone marks a 1,300% on-chain increase after progress update. All right, and if we go over here, they had some pretty big news come out. In a significant step towards renouncing the contract of Bone, the official gas token of Shibarium, the Shiba Inu development team has reported that the minting of the remaining Bone supply is nearing completion. This update comes after weeks of anticipation among the Shiba Inu community and crypto enthusiasts worldwide. The contract renunciation is a pivotal move that will see the Shiba Inu team relinquish control and ownership of the Bone token, marking a crucial milestone in the development of the SHIB ecosystem. This development was initially set in motion when Shiba Inu began the process of renouncing Bone last week, simultaneously introducing a dummy token known as Calcium. A prominent developer within the Shiba Inu ecosystem clarified that Calcium was solely created to renounce the Bone contract, emphasizing that it should not be traded as it lacks liquidity. This milestone aligns with the decision made by the Shiba Inu community last year to halt all bone minting after the circulating supply reached 230 million. The remaining 20 million tokens from the maximum supply of 250 were allocated to Shibarium validators, who play a crucial role in securing the Layer 2 blockchain. The end of Bone minting will mark the end of Bone rewards on Shibaswap, transitioning to a new token named Treat, as previously announced by Shiba Inu's lead developer. Presently, details about Treat remain scarce, with only its name and its role in the Shiba ecosystem disclosed so far. That said, the Shiba Inu team's progress in minting the remaining Bone supply and approaching the contract renunciation signifies a significant development for the Shiba ecosystem. Interestingly, despite the minting of additional Bone tokens, the asset price has not seen the massive dip that some had expected. Alright, so that's what happens. You get a bunch of people expecting a dip, it pops. As of the time of writing, Bone was trading at 79 cents. Registering a modest 1% decline over the past 24 hours. The assets price has not seen the massive dip that some had expected. No, it's not. We've been calling this for a while. We've been waiting for this to get down where we wanted it to get to, and that's what happens. You get a bunch of people expecting price down, and you get a pop like this. You can clearly see without connecting a bunch. It's a breakout. All right, you can see the break of resistance through here, no matter where you put it. Right there, I guess. Good enough. You got the breakout. Like I always say, guys, don't buy big green candles. Wait for a pullback and a retest. If you go out in the hourly, all right, you can see it broke above that 82.5 cent range there. It's up to almost 83 cents right now. All right, we'll get back to this here and we'll see how far this thing could go. The crypto bubbles, I'm just excited we're getting a breakout. It's about time. We've been waiting for this thing to bottom out here. Bone number 148, $190 million market cap, volume 4.75 million. That's going to pick up significantly. If you come out over here on the hourly and you look at the volume at the bottom, within the last hour, 79,000 Bone. The hour before that, 34,000. The hour before that, 10,000, 9,000, 11,000, and 15,500. And this hour just started and there's already 5,000. It started 4 minutes ago and there's 5,500. All right, so you can see volume picking up. Let's take a look at some RSIs here. All right, this is the exciting part. The hourly, all right, the hourly is getting up there. It's at a 100 and an 85. The 4 hour 84 and 71, still got a lot of room to come up. The 8 hour, 83 and a 66, still lots of room. The 12 hour, beautiful, 81 and a 76. All right, the daily is at a 90 and a 73, still has room to come up. And that weekly is at a 2.4 and a 7.2. Okay, this could get us that tick over that we've been waiting for. Boy, it's good to see a green candle. You know, we could get one of them ones like this here that just rip right up to, 95 cents, whatever. This during the week, though. Okay, that's a weekly candle. If you go on to daily, you go back, it can take a little bit of time here to obviously tick up here, but we can get some nice candles, especially, especially if we get this volume really starting to uptick here. That's what we want to see. We want to see a lot of volume coming in. So far, for the day, 380,000 bone. Not too bad. That's good to see. Look at that nice big green candle getting this breakout. Now, where could this thing head to? Quite honestly, I wouldn't be surprised to see it heading up towards 89 cents. You got a resistance area right up there. If we zoom out here, let's go on to weekly. All right, yeah, that's a, let's see here, right where we're at. This thing still has some room to come up towards, 86, 86 and a half. There's a resistance there. And then after that, let me unlock this a second. You have a pretty good resistance right at about 90 cents even. Okay, it's hard to say how far this could go. I mean, if the buyers really start piling in, and on the weekly, like I said, we're at 380,000. This is Monday. Okay, that's why this green weekly candle right here, 380,000 bone. All right, and that's just this is Monday, and like I said, this weekly, I'm just waiting for this to cross over and get that uptick, and the orange line will come underneath it just like that, and that's when things are really going to get exciting. This weekly hasn't even officially flipped over bullish yet, so that's great to see. Do we have any divergences here to talk about real quick? 12-hour. No, we were just so low down here. I mean, just look how oversold this thing has been. It's about time. I mean, we've just been, waiting and waiting. The 8-hour, yeah, this thing, it could go on a nice run today. It's at 83 cents right now. We had a low of 77, 78. Okay, this just peaked down there to right about 77 cents. And it has just been charging out of here the last hour or so. All right, guys, things are getting exciting. So we finally got the breakout we've been waiting for. That's the big news. Bone marks a 1,300% on-chain increase after progress update. Huge news. And of course, if we come over here, minting a bone token almost complete. So some big news out there. And we finally got the breakout. All right, guys. Please consider joining the channel. Please hit the like and subscribe, and please consider becoming a member. For 99 cents a month, you could just get a basic membership, or for $14.99 until the end of the month, you get the trading videos. There's geez, what do I have in there now? I think 13 or 14 videos for $15. You get over 6 hours of videos learning how to trade. So take advantage of that. You got till the end of the month to do it. $14.99, just a couple more days. All right, guys, thanks a lot. I will talk to you very soon. Congratulations, everybody.